Now let us discuss question number 2.1. So students, in this question two charges are given, one of magnitude 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 and other of magnitude 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. So students, polarity of both charges is opposite and we have to find, as these are separated by 16 centimeter, and we have to find a point where potential due to both charges will zero. Let us consider a point which is at x distance from positive charge, and hence this is x, so this is 16 minus x. As potential on point O is 0, it means let us consider a point randomly in between the line joining the two charge O. Point हमने कंसिडर कर लिया O. Then at that point, अब उस पॉइंट के ऊपर नेट पोटेंशियल कितना है? 0, क्योंकि हमने ही कंसिडर किया है कि उस पॉइंट के ऊपर नेट पोटेंशियल 0 होना चाहिए, है ना. देन V1 plus V2 is equal to 0. V1 is due to first charge and potential due to first charge is given by Q1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R. R is X plus Q2. Q2 is 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 divided by 16 minus x is equal to 0. As the charge is of negative polarity, so this positive sign is replaced by a negative sign, and K, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, is common term in both. Now K, on simplifying, it will be 0. In the statement will written as 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 divided by x is equal to 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 divided by 16 minus x. So students, this will also cancel. Now cross multiplying, we have 5 into 16, 80. 5 into x, 5x is equal to 3x. It is 80 is equal to 8x and x is equal to 10 centimeter. This is the distance 10 centimeter from positive charge and 6 centimeter from negative charge, at which the potential at point in between the line joining will be 0. Other possibility is also there, students, where we can say that potential will be 0, but it is not in between the charges, it is apart from both charges, but still on the line joining the two charges. Let us consider another point O, which is similar x distance from the positive charge, and now this distance will be x minus 16. From negative charge it is x subtracted by 16. Now students, for point O dash, it is same, but in this term we have a change, small change, which is x minus 16. On simplifying, x minus 16, on simplifying we have 5x minus 80. Okay, from here we get 5x, 2x is equal to 80 and x is equal to 40 centimeter. So students, these two possibilities are there on the line joining the two charges, where the potential for from these two charges will be 0.